Hello hockey card collectors, this is the Scruffy Bear from Scruffybear.ca, and today we thought we'd check out this, the Metal Universe Blaster. Everybody right now is doing the hobby boxes of Metal Universe, and I haven't seen any ones with the blasters, so let's see what we can get in a blaster. Hope everybody's safe and doing well. We have 7 cards per pack and 5 packs per box. This set is mostly parallels, the purple parallel being numbered ones. So let's get right to it. It's going to be a nice short break, but hopefully we get some really good treasures, including a possible autograph. So here we go. Jonathan Toews, Carter Hart, Gabriel Prideaux, and we got a blue parallel of Frederik Andersen, who's no longer with the Leafs. Yeah, these ones aren't numbered. The purple ones are numbered though. And we got Michael DiPietro prospects and Alliance, Zach Parise and Ryan Suter, and Morgan Geekie rookie. Okay. And we have Austin Matthews, Dominic Kubalik, Dylan Larkin, Leon Draisaitl, and a blue parallel of Jake Evans, rookie. Nice. And we got Sebastian Aho and an all-star of Pasternak. Okay, and we have Bobrovsky, Cale Makar, and Thomas Hertl, and a blue parallel of Braden Shen, and a blue of Matisse Kivalenkas prospects. Whoa, and there's an auto, Vanacek prospect, rookie auto. Nice. Whoa. And we have no numbered, it's just an auto. Okay, well that's just cool there. And Nick Robertson, rookie. Yes, he's going far. Should have a regular spot on the team this year. Okay, and we got Hellebuyck, Teravainen, Yandel, and a blue parallel of Roman Josi. Dylan Coghlan, prospects, and, oh, net deposits, Alexis Lafreniere. Ooh, nice. Looks like I got a good blaster. Kopitar is the last one. And the last pack, we have Goudreau, Heiskanen, Binnington, Matthew Tkachuk, blue parallel, and a Carter Hart, Intimidation Nation, Kolsar, and Letang. So, if we want to include all the rookies here, this is my first time getting this this kind of product. Never really paid much attention to it if it was out before. So anyways, as a recap, we got Jake Evans Rookie Blue. We got a Morgan Geeky Rookie, Nick Robertson Rookie, Colsar Rookie, Carter Hart, Intimidation Nation, and a blue parallel of Matthew Kachuk. Net Deposits, Alexei Lafreniere. That's a good card. Roman Yossi Blue. And an auto of Vitek Vanacek. Nice. And a blue too. Matisse Kivalenkets. Prospects, blue prospects. Braden Shen blue. And Frederick Anderson blue. It seems that you get a blue in every pack. So anyways, that's it. I just want to remind everybody that this little packet here is worth over $100. And it's when we have 100 subscribers, someone's going to win this baby. But for now, we'll just keep it up there. And I should let everybody know as well that Scruffybear.ca is giving 10% off on the first week of the NHL opening, starting this Sunday, running for 7 straight days. 10% off on all products on the site. Something there for everybody. Okay, if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. And leave a comment if you have something you'd like to add to our little break here. We have more breaks coming. So hopefully we'll see you then. And hopefully we'll get some more subscribers so we can start our contest. Take care. Be safe. Bye now.